Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share a read-only Google Sheet step by step. This is useful when you want others to view your spreadsheet without allowing them to make any changes. So let's get started. First, open the Google Sheet you want to share. Next, click the Share button in the top right corner of the screen. A sharing window will appear. In the Add People and Groups field, enter the email addresses of the people you want to share the sheet with. Before sending the invitation, look at the Permission drop-down menu next to their names. Click the drop-down and select Viewer. This setting allows people to open and view the spreadsheet, but they won't be able to edit or comment on it. If you want to share the sheet using a link, click Copy Link near the bottom of the sharing window. Then look at the General Access section. Choose Anyone with the link if you want anyone with the link to access the sheet. Next, make sure the permission is set to Viewer. Click Done to save your changes. Now you can send the link to others. Anyone with viewer access can open and read the spreadsheet, but they won't be able to modify the data. If you need to change permissions later, click Share again and update the access settings as needed. Using viewer access is a great way to share reports, dashboards, schedules, and other important information while keeping your data protected. And that's it. You've successfully shared a read-only Google Sheet. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Sheets tutorials and productivity tips. See you in the next video.